Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is an after dark clean with me. As you can see, it's a bit of a state this evening, so I want to whiz round and get it nice and cozy and fresh, ready for the next day. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up if you're cleaning along with me today, and let's just jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm starting off in the kitchen because I've still got all the washing up from dinner and just a load of rubbish and everything on the sides. So I want to get that done because I did go through a phase of just leaving the washing up until the morning, and every morning it was such a horrible feeling walking into the kitchen to such a mess. So I just want to make sure I get this done so I can stay on top of it, and I'm also going to be giving the kitchen a good wipe over and a clean so I can just wake up to a nice fresh kitchen in the morning. Why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And now I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom? So once I had all that done, I did want to go straight back in and dry it all up and put it all away. Sometimes I do just let it air dry, but on days like this when I just want to get it all finished, I do like to put it away just so I can then go in and give the sink a good clean, and then go in and do the sides and cupboards as well. I don't think a room's complete when there's just a pile of dishes to be put away, so I just wanted to crack on with that today and completely get the room finished, so in the morning I can just wake up to a nice fresh room and not have to worry about doing all of the washing up first thing on a Saturday morning. Looking back at the good times before it all went down, climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care. So I'm sure that you know the drill by now, but I'm going in with the Cif cream and the white vinegar spray on the sink. I do this all the time. Those two are just my favourite products ever. The Cif cream just smells so fresh and clean, and I'm that type of person that when I clean the sink, it needs to actually smell like I've cleaned the sink. Looking clean isn't good enough for me. I love a good fragrance, and the Cif cream, it just smells so fresh and clean. I absolutely love it. So I go in with the Minky first of all, just to get any food that's stuck on there and just anything else off, and then I also go in afterwards with a dry microfiber cloth and the white vinegar spray just to buff it up and make it nice and shiny. the next thing I wanted to do was just fill the sink with some hot water and Zoflora. I'm still using the mandarin and lime. I've made this last really well considering I use it pretty much every day, but as you can see it's almost all gone, so I do need to try and pick up some more, and just some different scents as well, ready for spring and summer. But I love this one. I just love the smell of the oranges. It just smells so beautiful. So I'm just going to use that diluted water to go over all of the sides, the cupboards and drawers and everything, and just make sure everything's nice and disinfected from the day, ready for the next day, and just make it nice and clean and fresh. So once I had the kitchen done, I wanted to move into the front room, and as you can see, Cinnabon's literally just sitting there thinking, what on earth are you doing this time of night? I don't normally clean this time of night, so I think he's a little bit confused, but I'm just going to whiz round and get everything put back where it belongs and just neaten it up. As you can see, it's very dishevelled from the day, so I just want to neaten up the throw blankets, the cushions, get rid of any rubbish and everything, and just make it look a lot more put together. So I wanted to try and make it feel extra cozy this evening, and for some reason the fire background on the telly makes me feel so cozy, even though it is just a background. I don't know why it does this, but I do feel super relaxed when that's on. So I've just popped that on and I can now crack on with the polishing. I'm also going to put my favourite fragrance in my wax burner just to get all of those fragrances going to feel extra homely and cozy, ready for the evening. So once it's all done, I can put my feet up and just relax with my favourite scents.
Wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
And the final thing that I wanted to get done was the hoovering, just to finish it up and make it nice and cozy. And I'm really glad that Cinnabon has got used to the hoover, because whenever I put it on, he used to just run away and hide. He was absolutely terrified of it, where now he will just lay in the middle of the front room and I've literally got a hoover around him. So he does make it a little bit tricky, but I'm really glad that he's not scared of it anymore. So I can now just whiz round, not having to worry about scaring him. Night or day, just give everything a good hoover. I really hope that you have enjoyed today's video, and I hope it's given you all the motivation that you came looking for today. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you back here in the next one.
Together, mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, watch you